2026. In this video, I am going to teach you the real, current way to get Perplexity Pro as a student in 2026. Since a lot of free year claims floating around are actually outdated. Here's the honest truth up front. The original one-year free student promotion, called Race to Infinity, officially expired back in January 2026. So if you've seen posts promising an automatic free year just for having a student email, that offer has already closed. What actually works now is a combination of Education Pro plus the referral program, and stacked together, it can genuinely get you close to a full year or more. Let's walk through it. Step 1. Go to Perplexity's website and sign in, or create an account if you don't have one yet. Step 2. Navigate to the Education section and select Verify as Student, or Verify as Educator if that applies to you instead. Step 3. Complete verification through Shirid, using your school details, name, date of birth, and academic email. Most university domains verify almost instantly, though it can occasionally take up to 48 hours. Step 4. Once verified, you'll get Education Pro at $10 a month, 50% off the standard $20 Pro price, and as a bonus. Every newly verified student currently gets one free month before any payment kicks in. Step 5. This is where the real year-long value comes from, the referral program. Copy your unique referral link from your account and share it with classmates. When someone signs up using your link, downloads the Comet browser, signs in, and runs at least one search, you both earn a free month. And this stacks up to a maximum of 24 free months total. Step 6. Know the deadline. This referral program is scheduled to run only until May 31st, 2026, so if you're watching this after that date, check Perplexity's official education page directly to confirm whether it's been extended or replaced. Step 7. If you're not eligible for the student route or you want another confirmed free path, check if your phone or internet carrier already includes a Perplexity Pro partnership. Some Samsung Galaxy devices and select carrier plans have offered 12 months free as an ongoing benefit, though these bundled offers rotate over time. Here's a pro tip. Regardless of how you get access, never paste confidential, regulated, or sensitive personal information into any AI tool, student or free tier or otherwise, unless you know for certain your school or organization explicitly allows it. So that's exactly how to legitimately stack free and discounted months of Perplexity Pro as a student in 2026. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tool guides, and let me know in the comments, how many referral months are you aiming for?